the overtime law arena is helping people that work 40 hours and make, because, okay, and are you in India,
No, I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh right now?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Well, what I was, and forgive me if I'm telling you something you already know, but just trying to give you a background,
Yeah.
is in the United States, they have a 40-hour work week. That means, you get paid, people get paid hourly, and maximum they can work is 40 hours a week. If they work more, then they have to be paid time and a half.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the problem is that a lot of people that are immigrants, and my background was originally from Pakistan. So Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Afghanistan, when they come into the country and they don't have education, the jobs, the employers sometimes make them work more than 40 hours and they don't pay them over. I wanted to target those people,
Okay.
you know. So then in my mind, I watch, Desi. Okay, so on YouTube, I watch a lot of Desi, food videos just because I don't to go to Pakistan very often. I think maybe once every years. So I my craving for the food by going on YouTube videos.
Okay.
And there are a lot of folks in Houston that may be watching those videos as well. So I said, well, how advertise to the immigrant community in Houston, uh, or if not Houston, if you're familiar with the geography, next to Houston is Dallas, San Antonio, Austin. Um,
Texas.
okay. So then what I could do is I could have them, when they're watching it, advertise to them. Now, what I don't understand, and I don't know how to need help because I just thought about this a couple of days ago. What AdSense is?
No, no, that is YouTube video and YouTube camping, something like that.
Okay, what is AdSense then?
Yeah. So the thing is, there is two things. One is AdWords, one is AdSense. So AdSense is not related with AdSense is for Google. I mean, you have a website, right?
Yes.
So when in your website here is a lots of visitor, then you on the AdSense option, then Google show the ad in your website. I mean, when people scroll your website, then people show some ads in your website. Do you understand? This is AdSense. But
Okay.
if we run the Google ads, then our ads is show others people website. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. I mean, when people search in YouTube something like that, how we hire a lawyer for your targeted service,
Right.
here they are watching YouTube video. Then in video, our video is showing.
Right.
We provide this service. This call AdSense for YouTube. This call AdSense for YouTube, but we need to run ads. I mean, same thing from our side. This is AdWords, I mean Google Ads, and from Google side, this is AdSense.
Okay. Okay. One is for Google.
So, there is two type thing. One
Uh,
is social media camping, I mean LinkedIn camping, Facebook camping, Insta camping. This called social media. And the
okay.
number two is Google Ads. And Google Ads, there is two type. One is when people search for your service in YouTube for watching video, then your video is showing in the middle of video. This
Okay.
is YouTube Google Ads, number one. And the number two, sometimes people search directly in Google. I need a lawyer for part-time payment issue fixing. Think
Uh,
we can try 1 month by your previous website. Also, we can create a landing page. And for landing page, there is not lot of charge. It can be 200 or $300
okay.
for
That's fine.
full one landing page. I mean, when people open this page, I mean,
Uh,
we set up this link in our campaign. If any people click our campaign, those people directly open our landing page, and
uh,
here the all structure in immigration law.
okay. All right. Well, let's do that, and so I need to work on content. right?
SEO friendly content. I mean, people when read, they can easily think it's employment law.
Okay. All right. And how do it's Mandy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And all right, that sounds great. I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Okay, you're so welcome.
And now you've got all my information anyway.
Okay, no problem. You can send me in Fiverr. Actually, in Fiverr, other side communication is not allowed. It's harmful for our account. So we
Oh,
can message in Fiverr.
I'm sorry. Okay, absolutely. Send it through Fiverr. Thank you very much.
Okay, you
Thank
are
you.
also welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Good night or good morning to you.
Okay, bye. Good night.